are here at Harare Magistrate Court, where we have been attending the sentencing of our President, Comrade Obert Masaraure, who was convicted following a case emanating from posting a solidarity message on Twitter account when I was arrested in June 2022. To us as a union, we say that the freedom of association, freedom of speech, which is enshrined in the Constitution, which is also a human right, should just be respected. We are also noting with concern the delay, because he was supposed to be sentenced today, but after the mitigation which took place within less than an hour, and we still have a whole day, the magistrate chose to postpone the sentencing to tomorrow. And we want to reiterate the position that justice delayed is indeed justice denied, and we are demanding justice for Obert Masaraure and the ATU's 16 teachers who were also in court today for a charge emanating from protesting against low salaries.
Greetings, Zimbabweans. My name is Darlington Chigwena. I'm the head of Communications and Information Department for the National Democratic Working Group. We are here at the Magistrate Court witnessing the sentence of brother leader Obert Masaraure. But unfortunately, the sentence wasn't given today for no justifiable purpose, and it is justice delayed. And we believe that justice should not be delayed, because if justice is delayed, it's no longer justice, but injustice. So we are here to show our substantial solidarity to our brother leader who was convicted yesterday on a case which does not even exist in the Constitution. So we are seeing unconstitutionalism being perpetuated by the people who don't care about humanity in Zimbabwe. So what are we saying as the National Democratic Party? We are National Democratic Movement. We are saying that we need to finish the unfinished business of the liberation struggle, because the three things were central on the sanctity of the liberation struggle. Number one, freedom of expression. Expressing yourself in Zimbabwe is a crime. That's why you are seeing Obert Masaraure in prison right now, because he just expressed himself, showing solidarity to his cadre, and for that reason he was incarcerated. So we want people to be free in Zimbabwe, expressing their views, airing out their concerns without being incarcerated for no justifiable purpose. Number three, freedom to have land. But we are seeing people being evicted from land just because we didn't finish the unfinished business of the liberation struggle. So what are we saying? We are advocating for the right to justice. We are advocating for constitutionalism in Zimbabwe. Our rights should be respected. Constitution should be honored. And no one has monopoly over threats in Zimbabwe. Everyone should be respected, and everyone should be free. Thank you.